Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see our different views in our Power BI desktop. So, the first one is our report view. In this, we will be creating and designing our reports, and that has been shown here. So, we will be using our tables, we will be using our charts, and we will be using our slicers. So, the next view is our table view. So in this, we will going to see our data in a table format. So it is used to see the data in row and column formats. And we can use our calculated columns for our data enhancement. And last but not the least, now we are going to see the model view. So in this, we are going to see the relationships that has been present in between both the tables, different tables, and here we will be using to manage our data models. And lastly, we can create the different schemas that will be help for the data flow.